Yeah, we're gonna be testing this. This is Fenty. So let's do the testing. I do one so that you know. Let's do it. This is Fenty lip liner. So we're gonna be doing this is Riri. Yes, this is Riri. The lip liner is Riri. Vivi, that's Rihanna. This is Rihanna. So we're gonna be doing Rihanna. Open. Wow. This Rihanna. So if you want like that. One thing I like about Fenty, about this one, Fenty lip gloss, I don't like when you close your mouth and open, it becomes sticky or something like that. I don't like lip gloss that does that. So this is good. This is Riri. So if you want to buy it, that's good. I love this. I'm gonna rebuy it because before you know it, Rihanna will take it out of stock. So I'm gonna rebuy it. Still using Riri because we're doing Fenty. Is it breaking? Rihanna, I don't want to believe it's breaking. It's like, boy, Riri. This is my first time of using their lip pencil. So this is sweet mouth. This it's okay, but I prefer the Riri one. This one I can use it like to top on my lipstick. I can't wear it alone, but it's good. It's good. Do you like it? It's good. It's good though. Is it open? Okay. I wanted to check. I wanted to see, is it gummy? Is it, no, is it sticky? No. Still Riri, because I only got one. I like using, okay, since we are doing Fenty, let's leave it for Fenty. I love using nude. Because this is Riri. It's her name. I was like, let me get it at least. Maybe I'll still go buy nude or something. So this is Rose Amber. Rose Amber. Wow. It's like a dark shade. Let's see how it's gonna look. There's one of Rihanna lip gloss I missed. Before I could buy that thing, the thing is off the market and Rihanna did not bring it back. Honestly. I'm need to tag Rihanna because of that lip gloss. Like, I don't know why she doesn't bring it back. So most times when you buy her things, anyone you like, go and buy it back because it will be sold out and she will not bring it back. This is good. I love it. I love it. So, you know it's winter. So we're going to be doing more of lip gloss. You see, you can wear her lip gloss. You see, you can wear it like this. Because what I don't like about lip gloss is that I don't like lip gloss you wear and then they will be seeing your, like, the color of your mouth. You know, this one covers it. So, this is Riri. This thing is breaking. Maybe we'll use another. But we're doing Rihanna now. Really, this your really does is breaking. I don't know why. It's breaking. I don't like when things and it's breaking. Really. But I don't know if other ones do that, but this one is breaking. So we're gonna be doing fuzzy. I don't know where other ones are. I bought their. I don't know where the other ones are. The normal, like the lip. Rihanna should put me on her PR list too. Yeah. Hey, this is nice. I have this. Like, I have this. I still open another one. I have this. Like, I have this one. Like, I have this in my bag. Like, I have this before. I still bought another one. This is my favorite. This is my favorite. The first thing. This one is my bag. 2-4. Like, I have them. I bought for my friend too. I bought for my friend. I bought my friend this one too. I bought for her, yes. Because I love it. My friend loves pink, so I bought this one for her. I love this makeup. I'm going to post this on Twitter. Too. Fenty, you guys need to send me PR package for this your lip line that is breaking. I love this. I don't want this to be long, so we're gonna rush this one. This one is Champ Stamp Fantasy. I think this is the one they used to replace the other one. This one be used for. This one is good, but I think I like really than the other one. This one's can. These ones I don't really like. I'll be using them on top of my lipstick or something like that. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, I think. I don't know where the other ones are. Fenty does lip gloss. I give it to them. Lip gloss, I give it to Fenty. I think I've already used their lipstick once, but lip gloss, I don't joke with it. Their lip gloss, eyeliner, these are my favorites. Lip gloss, this, the contour, I don't joke with it. These are anything I send me with Fenty. This. Should we test on that lipstick? No, let's just leave for this for Fenty so that we'll tag them. Fenty. Riri, congratulations. Please give us more lip gloss. Like there's one that you removed. We want that one back. We want it back. We want it back. We want it back. They have the plump ones, but I have thick lips, so I don't know if I should get that one. But if you want me to test it, you can let me know. Then I'll buy it and test it. But I have for people that have tiny lips. So if you want your lips to be big. So if I add more, it's gonna be too much. But that's okay. So please don't forget to like. Don't forget to follow us. Don't forget to subscribe. So for more content like this, bye-bye. I love you. Bye. So today is about Riri.